Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Bitcoin Cash completely private using Confidential Layer. Confidential Layer allows you to bridge your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or many other coins onto a privacy environment built on top of the Zano privacy blockchain. So when you bridge your Bitcoin Cash, the transactions amounts are hidden, and your Bitcoin Cash becomes private by default. So to get started, you're going to need to go on over to zano.org/downloads. As you can see here, you can download the wallet from mobile or for desktop, which is available on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Once you have downloaded Zano Wallet, it will look something like this, and this is the Zano desktop wallet. As you can see here, this is my wallet that I've already created, and you can see that wrapped Bitcoin or BCHX is already in the wallet by default. It's important to note that it can take a few hours to sync the Zano blockchain. It can take 1 or 2 hours depending on your internet connection. So when you're ready, head on over to app.confidentiallayer.com. Then what you need to do is select the token you want to bridge. So in this case, we are going to be bridging Bitcoin Cash. And then we need to select the source. So it's coming from a Bitcoin Cash address, and the destination is going to be Zano, the privacy chain. Then what we need to do is grab the receiver address. We can do that by copying this address here and then pasting it into the receiving address here. Now what we need to do is click bridge. We're going to connect the Bitcoin Cash wallet here. So you can either use WalletConnect, Trust Wallet, or local based. And for this video, I'm going to be using local based. Now I need to click deposit, and it's going to deposit BCH. And then I'm just going to sign a transaction here. Now we must wait for network confirmations. The deposit native token has now gone through successfully, and we're just waiting for the withdrawal to go through now. We have received the wrapped Bitcoin, the BCHX, into our Zano address. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have found this helpful.